All right, how I make stickers for between the boards. I take an old 2x6 or an old 2x4, and because I use the regular, just your store-bought. I'm just trying to find a tape measure here. Okay, and as we all know, for lumber that you buy, the width is 1.5 inches. I mean, it might be off a little bit due to drying, but I want to cut that exactly in half because I'm going to lose the kerf of the saw. I set the saw exactly 3/4 of an inch right to the center of the blade. Center. So then I'm going to get 3/4 of an inch shy on either end. I just verify it on the other side so I know it's parallel. Because this fence, this is an old table saw, it doesn't work the greatest. Center. 3/4 of an inch to the center. 3/4 of an inch to the center. Cut these into lengths first. I'll go do that with the chop saw. So that's done. Cut this into 3 pieces because I got some big pieces coming up. One. Cut this kind of in half. Again, I'm not worried about exact length. And I'll cut this 2x6 in half. Seems like a waste, but these stickers are invaluable. All right, there's the boards. We got 5 of them. We'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of that. 6, 12, 18, at least 10 out of those. So we'll get lots of stickers. The stickers go quick. So here we go, let's cut them. I'll show you what we get. This is just loud and annoying. I don't have the greatest of table saw, but it works. Let's plug her in. That's the one piece. Now I'll cut that in half. And there we have her. There's our stickers. So I'll just keep doing that over and over and over again. And then you can see the dimension. It's just under 3/4 as planned. Just under 3/4. So then no matter which way I put it, it's square. And then I don't have to worry about orientation. So that's the deal. All right, there's all of our stickers. And now we can go and mill some wood. Good times. There's the stickers. Now she's time to mill. And more stickers. And then 3. Gassed up, ready to roll. Just got to get some oil in the oiler there. Just trying to be a little bit proactive here. Don't want to fill up too much because the hose is compromised. Started to flow. That's good. It's slow drip, but it's better than no drip. Let's strap these puppies up. I just grab whatever I could from the barn. Go around that way. Hook them together with the eyes and then start it out. A little bit, same idea. Down as close. Then if I don't get to it right away, I can just kind of air and weather dry there until I get it into the barn. Thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time.